Well, got a storm go through the other day, 80-mile-per-hour winds, and got a nice little tree branch down in the yard. Came from up there. Doesn't look like it hit the shed, although I'm gonna say it had to have. I mean, even with 80-mile-per-hour winds, that wouldn't twist that all that way. But I mean, see if we can get in there here. That's the one branch up there. And then there's a bigger branch laying along the side there. So a little bit of a damage to clean up. Now, Brandon wanted me to make sure I showed her trampoline here. I mean, that has ripped right through it. Tore part of it up. It's alright though, it'll be fine. I think it did, it go all the way through. But we'll be able to salvage that, at least mostly. Alright, so we're gonna start up here by the trampoline, get as much of it off as we can, clear it back. That way in case she falls or rolls, she won't be falling on me or rolling on me. Don't worry. The lighter end back to the heavier end. Make the heavier end a little bit lighter. Not get hurt. Does that make sense, right? You don't want to get hurt. Safety glasses are key. Even the dog's got some, even if he's not going to be on the business end of the song. But couldn't find my hatchet. fault. Stay away. Well guys, I think that's about the limits of that little electric chainsaw. I do got a friend who said he's going to come over later with a real chainsaw. He'll get the bigger stuff out for me. So we might skip over to kind of chopping up that brush pile now. Just got to get that down to a little more manageable sizes. It's quite sizable. Still can't get to the fence though.